Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect laptop to Samsung TV with HDMI cable. Let's go. To connect a laptop to a TV via HDMI, your TV and your laptop must have HDMI support. Connect the HDMI cable to the laptop. Connect the HDMI cable to the TV. In the sources, select PC. That's it. The laptop screen is duplicated to the TV screen. That's it. Now you know how to connect laptop to Samsung TV with HDMI cable. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.